You've got a PDF with images you actually need for a project, a report, whatever, but PDFs don't exactly make it easy to just grab them. Good news, whether you want one quick image or you're trying to bulk export hundreds, there's a method here for you. Let's go through 6 ways, from the simplest screenshot trick to full-on batch exporting. The fastest option is just taking a screenshot. On Windows, zoom into the image in your PDF, hit Windows plus Shift plus S, drag a box around it, then click the notification and save it as a PNG or JPEG. On a Mac, zoom in and press Shift, Command, and 4 to drag select. It drops a PNG on your desktop that you can reopen in Preview and export as JPEG or TIFF. This works on literally any PDF, even scanned documents, but keep in mind your image quality is only as good as your screen resolution. If you'd rather not mess with screenshots, try a free online converter. Upload your PDF to Adobe Acrobat's online converter, choose JPG, PNG, or TIFF from the dropdown, and it'll hand you back a zip file. Or try PDF Candy's Extract Images tool, which actually pulls the real embedded images out of the file instead of just screenshotting pages. Just don't use these for anything confidential. Your file gets uploaded to their servers. If you already have the free Adobe Acrobat Reader installed, this one's built right in. Open your PDF, click on the image to select it, right-click, and choose Save Image as to export it straight to JPEG or TIFF. Sometimes you'll only see a copy image option. If so, just paste it into Paint or Preview and save from there. Heads up, this won't work on scanned pages or PDFs with security restrictions. Need every image out of a huge PDF at once? That's where Acrobat Pro earns its keep. Open the All Tools panel, select Export PDF, choose Image as your export type, then pick JPEG, JPEG 2000, PNG, or TIFF, and make sure Export All Images is checked. Click the gear icon to set your quality and a minimum size so you don't end up with a folder full of tiny icons, then export to a folder of your choice. Acrobat names every file automatically using the PDF name, page number, and image number so nothing gets mixed up. If you're a Photoshop user, this method gives you the most control. Go to File, then Open, select your PDF, and in the Import dialog, click the Images option instead of Pages. You'll see a thumbnail of every embedded image. Shift-click to select the ones you want. Hit OK, and each one opens in its own tab, ready for you to export as JPEG, PNG, or TIFF through File, Export, Export As. On a Mac, Preview can handle this too, though it exports whole pages, not individual pictures. Open your PDF. Select the page or pages you want in the sidebar. Holding Command to grab more than one, then go to File and Export. Pick your format, adjust the quality slider, and save. Just know there's no batch option here, so you'll repeat this for each page you need. And that's it. 6 different ways to get images out of a PDF, whether you need one picture fast or an entire folder's worth. If this saved you some frustration, give the video a like and subscribe to Online Tech Tips for more straightforward fixes like this one.